Hi everyone. If you like my content, please support the channel so that we can continue. Please subscribe and like. Thanks for everyone. 50 Cent, whose real name is Curtis James Jackson III, is a well-known rapper, actor, and entrepreneur. He was born in Queens, New York in 1975, and grew up in a rough neighborhood. His mother was a drug dealer who was murdered when he was only 8 years old, and his father abandoned the family shortly after. Growing up, 50 Cent turned to drug dealing to make ends meet, and he quickly became involved in the violent street culture of his neighborhood. He was arrested numerous times for drug-related offenses, and spent time in jail. Despite these challenges, 50 Cent was determined to turn his life around. He began to focus on his music, and in 2003, he released his debut album, Get Rich or Die Tryin'. The album was a huge success, selling over 10 million copies and earning him multiple awards, including a Grammy nomination for Best Rap Album. However, just as his career was taking off, 50 Cent was shot 9 times outside his grandmother's house in Queens. He survived the attack, but was left with several scars, including a bullet lodged in his tongue that affects his speech to this day. Despite this setback, 50 Cent continued to release hit albums and singles, including In Da Club and Candy Shop. He also branched out into acting, appearing in films like Get Rich or Die Tryin' and Southpaw. In addition to his music and acting careers, 50 Cent has also become a successful entrepreneur. He has his own record label, G-Unit Records, and has invested in a variety of businesses, including a headphone company, a vodka brand, and a clothing line. Throughout his career, 50 Cent has faced both triumphs and challenges, but he has always remained resilient and determined to succeed. His story is a testament to the power of hard work and perseverance, and serves as an inspiration to many. 50 Cent has also been known for his philanthropic efforts, especially in his hometown of Queens. In 2005, he founded the G-Unity Foundation, which is dedicated to improving the quality of life for young people in low-income communities. The foundation has supported a variety of programs, including youth mentoring and anti-bullying initiatives. In recent years, 50 Cent has also become more involved in the entertainment industry as a producer. He executive produced the popular TV series Power and its spin-off Power Book 2, Ghost, both of which aired on the Starz network. He has also produced the crime drama BMF and the docuseries Moment in Time, The Massacre, both of which are based on real-life events. Throughout his career, 50 Cent has been known for his bold personality and controversial statements. He has been involved in several high-profile feuds with other celebrities, including Ja Rule, Rick Ross, and Floyd Mayweather Jr. However, he has also shown a softer side, especially when it comes to his family. He has a close relationship with his son, Marquise Jackson, and has often spoken publicly about his love for him. Overall, 50 Cent's story is one of perseverance and resilience. Despite growing up in a difficult environment and facing numerous setbacks along the way, he has become one of the most successful and influential figures in hip-hop and entertainment. In 2020, 50 Cent made headlines when he endorsed President Donald Trump's re-election bid, citing concerns over Joe Biden's proposed tax plan. However, he later withdrew his support and publicly criticized Trump's handling of the COVID-19 pandemic. 50 Cent has also been open about his struggles with mental health. In a 2020 interview, he revealed that he had been diagnosed with anxiety and depression, and had even contemplated suicide at one point. He has since become an advocate for mental health awareness and has encouraged others to seek help if they are struggling.